Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and guess what, I am in Lokoja, Kogi State to do a project, a 20,000 capacity tarpaulin pond here in Lokoja. And at the back, what they are doing now is they are trying to concrete a floor where the tarpaulin will go on. So that's what they are going to do now. It's already fenced, and we will be handling the project here from beginning to the end. When it comes to delivering the tarpaulin pond is already in Lokoja. We brought it in Lokoja, and we're going to be doing the operation of this farm. So I'll be showing you how we level this place, how we concreted everything, and also setting up the tarpaulin. If you're ready, follow me on this journey. The first thing we need to do, because of the texture of the land, it's a waterlogged area, so we need to plaster, like level the land, then put some plastering in terms of cement, so that when we are setting up the tarpaulin, it's going to be leveled and not just let the legs of the tarpaulin sink into the ground. So this video is part one of a three-part series about setting up this tarpaulin here in Lokoja. And the first thing we are going to be doing is leveling and clearing the site, preparing it for use. And we, as you can see, that the workers have already started work. They've cleared the part and also plastered the part of it. So we are going to do that for the remainder of the site where we are going to set the tarpaulin. I'm going to be bringing you everything that we do on the site, the day-to-day activities, down to when we finish setting it up. So if you want to construct any type of pond, you can send me an email showing on the screen and also in the description box, or you can send me a message on my WhatsApp or call me. The number also will be on the screen. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Daniel, and I talk about agricultural opportunities in Nigeria, Africa, and the world in general. So if you have not subscribed, just click on that subscribe button, turn on notification so that you don't miss anything that I bring to you. Hey guys, so today is Friday 28th. On the way to the farm in Lokoja. We'll continue from where we stopped yesterday. So just getting started. Here is, look at him, Mr. Lai.
Hi guys.
welcome back. Today is day 3 and we are on site, and they are still clearing the whole place. As you can see, we've done out of saying that we're going to do, we've done 7 already, and we plastered 4, so we still have over 6 to be done, and most likely by Monday we are going to finish everything so that's on for you. So we are making progress, and as you can see, the workers are still, the abokis are still clearing the whole place and leveling everywhere before they keep plastering the place. So we'll keep updating you on what's going on site, and when the pond is getting set, you're going to see it in a separate video. So keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I woke up at 9 without a hangover, 'cause when I'm with you, I'd rather be sober. I think that we were dancing to a Springsteen song that got me in the mood, and I don't wanna miss a single moment on our journey to the moon. Girl, I can be yours tonight. I can be whatever you're missing. Take you to the stars tonight, like an astronaut on a mission. I wanna take you higher. Let's fly till we see the northern lights. Girl, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart tonight. Tonight, I'ma take you to the sky. Tonight, I'm a traveler through time. Girl, I can be yours tonight.
What we're doing now is this is a 1 plot, it's over 1 plot, and we want to have a 20 capacity tarpaulin pond on this land aside other buildings. So we have on the side where I am, from the wall, from the fence, we are not going to make it from the fence, but from the fence down to the other end, we are going to have 14 ponds on this side, and we've made it each level. We've made it level because of the type of land it is. It's a very slopey land, so we've tried to level each place where we are going to have the pond. So I'm on one of where the pond is going to be like, and if you can see, each of it have steps. This is the second step, and we move like that. They've plastered this place. This is the 3rd step that I'm working on presently. This is the 4th step, which they just finished, and they are working on the 5th one right now. They've cleared it, they've leveled it. They are just plastering the floor where they are going to make the 5th step. Then the 6th one and the 7th one is being leveled. Then we're going to do the other side of it, where the remaining 6 is going to stay, and that's where they are clearing now, as you can see. So they are going to be 20,000 capacity pond here. That is 21,000 capacity. Each is going to be on the farm. Then that other side, that corner, is where there's going to be building where the staffs are going to be staying. On the farm here, we're going to be having security cameras to monitor your staffs, or to monitor activities of your farm. That's what I tell people. Have security. If you are not going to be on the farm, maybe you are in the diaspora and you want to have this, have security cameras on the farm. I'm going to leave a a link in the description box of the security cameras that I use, that I recommend to people to use on the farm. So I'm going to be showing you the progress, and when we are setting it up, you're going to see the finished product of this farm. But now here is just the first stage, the clearing and leveling of the space where we are going to put the pond. And you can see the workers on the farm working, clearing that. So this is today is Saturday, which is the third day where we are here on the farm, and it's been progress all the way to this moment. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is Sunday and we are back on site to continue work from where we stopped. Now it's around past 10 in the morning, and the workers have started working. They want to mix sand with gravel to cement where we'll be putting on. Why we are doing all this is because the land is a waterlogged area, so we need something. If we put the tarpaulin on it like that without leveling and cementing that place, it will go deep to the floor, and if that happens, that means your pond is not going to stand well. So that's why we are doing all this, to make sure that everywhere is leveled and balanced while getting ready to place the tarpaulin on the pond. So we have done out of 7 that will be on the side, we have done 5, so we have 2 left that we're going to do, and we're going to do that, start that process this morning. So where they stopped yesterday, which was Saturday, is here. As you can see, they are going to do it down to that edge where they are. Then we do the remaining 2. So by estimation, we are going to finish this process by tomorrow, Monday. Then we can start the process of setting the tarpaulin pond, because the one they've done before would have been dried up. If you are new here, my name is Daniel, and I talk about agricultural opportunities in Africa and the world that you can invest in. And here we are doing a 20,000 capacity fish pond tarpaulin on this site here in Lokoja, Kogi State.
You
Hey guys, we are done for the day, and this is what they did today. These two. So this almost past 5. This past 5, not almost past 5, closing to 6 o'clock, and we are going to finish that tomorrow and start setting up on Tuesday. So you should be able to see what they've done. So that's the updates. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday 23rd, and we're back on the farm to complete what we've started. So this is the remaining that needs to be done. On the other side that needs to be done. The sun here is crazy. It's just past 9 and the sun is mad here. So we're going to complete this today and start setting the tarpaulin tomorrow, Tuesday. So let's keep going and keep watching.